Hello, I got this off of Amazon. And is a travel fridge, or it can keep things warm as well. So either way. So we're gonna go ahead and get it out. Take the plastic wrap. Now, there's a mirror up here in the front, so if you wanted to check yourself out, you could do that. Just pull that little thing off, and we'll just go ahead and open it up here. This is all of the instructions. You've got the little, you can set up little ways to have like shelves and stuff in there. And then the back is where you turn it on and off, as well as warm, cool. You've got the different adapters, ways to plug it in. So that's all this right here. Show you. So you can plug it in your cigarette lighter like that. Go ahead and plug it in. So twist sides so I can stretch out the cord. Okay, we can make it bigger. Alright, so then otherwise you can plug it in from home as well. There's different ways of using it. So this one will be plugged in. Let's see. Positive, negative. Let's see if it's right. There we go. It's got a little divot inside. So, okay, so if we want to do cold, so we just flip it up to cold. Open it up here, and then I'll put some food in there. Put the little, let's do this first. Okay, just like that. And then this looks like you can maybe do something to that effect, or maybe have it down here, stand it up, put it in there, and you can put, so you can then have a way to be able to keep your water bottles cold. So I recommend this for anybody looking for a travel fridge or heater.